Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how you can easily add an AI chatbot into your WIX website. Let's get started. First, log into your WIX account and select the website where you want to add an AI chatbot in. So I'm going to select this My Site 11. And then next, on the top right corner, click on the Design Site button. Next, on the left panel, select the Add Apps icon, which will open a new tab. On the search box, type in Chatbot and enter. And you already have a lot of selections to choose from, so let's just choose this first one right here, which is the Wix AI Site Chat. And then click Add to Site. So we can see here that we already have an AI chatbot added to your website. Next, let's click on the Settings button, and this is where you can customize your chatbot to your preference. In here, we can test our chatbot. We can also customize the layout like the positions, the width, and the height of your chatbot. We can also customize the text of our chatbot here, and of course the design like the header, the background color, the messages, the input field, and the minimize chat. In the settings, you can also find the support or the help center here. And once you're done customizing, you can click on publish right here on the top right corner and then click done. And now you're done. You have successfully added an AI chatbot to your Wix website. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.